Today we're gonna start stripping back the tray. So we're just gonna get rid of all this nasty old paint. We're just gonna chuck it on time lapse and we'll come back at the end result. So after 5 hours, I've managed to strip back all the paint and rust and crap that was on this bed. I still have the sides to go, but as you can see, it's going dark outside and I've kind of had enough for today, but it's looking pretty good. So I'll fix up all the little holes, I'll weld them all up. And then we'll spray the bed with some bed liner, some nice thick rubber, and she should be sweet.